Hello and welcome to the Daily GEX Bible. Good to have you back. I'm Maya. It's Wednesday, May 27th, 9:19 p.m. Eastern Time. Here with GEX for the SPX opening bell structural read. Quick disclaimer up top before we get into it. Standard disclaimer. This is a structural read of SPX GEX data. Education only, not financial advice.
Right. Not your advisor. Nothing here is a recommendation. Trading is your own risk. All right, Maya, let's get into the read.
GEX, what's the structural read this morning?
If you look at the levels panel on the right of the dashboard, the headline numbers are right there. Net GEX is positive 40 FIMS million. Regime is positive. Spot is 75.20, above the flip at 75.15.
And the implication for the session?
Means dealers are damping moves and the walls have teeth. That's the through line for the whole session.
Show me what the levels panel is telling us today.
On the levels panel, look up first. A call wall stack at 75.30 and 75.35. Those are the strikes labeled with the red call wall markers. Now scroll your eye down past the ATM line at 75.20. You can see a put wall stack at 75.15 and 7500 on the panel. Those are the blue put wall markers.
So we're boxed between 75.15 and 75.30?
That's the range. First touch tells us if the SPX structure holds or breaks.
If you had to pick one thing to watch?
The first wall touch. Does dealer hedging absorb it or does the flow break through? That answer is the day.
Walk me through bear and bull.
Bear scenario. If spot breaks below 75.15 with GEX contracting, the framework predicts acceleration towards 75.05. That put wall is the next structural target. Bull scenario. If spot pushes above 75.30 with GEX expanding, the framework predicts continuation towards 75.40. The call wall flips from resistance to magnet.
Reminder, structural reads, not recommendations. Read your own SPX structure.
Confirmed. Read SPX structure, trade your own risk.
That wraps the morning read. End of day recap is up after 4. Last word, GEX?
Trade your own risk. The SPX structure runs all session. We'll be back at the close.
Hit subscribe if SPX structural reads help your trading. Cheers, everyone. That's the morning read. Goodbye. See you at 4:30 Eastern.
Before we sign off, something to sit with. Reading the structure is half the work. Trading what you read is the other half, and most of the failures live there. Today's structural read is exactly the territory.
That's it for this one. Trade your own risk. See you on the next one.